If you're broke, bored, or just tired of wasting time online, this video is for you. I'm about to show you 3 of the easiest websites you can use to start making real money today. No investment, no fancy skills, just your phone or laptop and a little bit of time. And the best part? You can start right after this video. Let's get into it. First up, we've got Swagbucks. It's a super beginner-friendly site that pays you for doing simple things you're already doing, like watching videos, playing games, answering surveys, and even just searching the web. Every task gives you points, and those points turn into real PayPal cash or gift cards. It won't make you rich, but you can easily earn $5 to $10 a day just while chilling on the couch. Number 2, Fiverr. Don't worry if you don't think you have any skills. People are making money on Fiverr for things like writing short messages, removing image backgrounds, and even naming products. Setup takes less than 15 minutes. You list a gig, set your price, and when someone buys, boom, you get paid. Some people start making $50 to $100 in their first week with just basic services. And number 3 is a hidden gem, user testing. This site pays you to test websites and apps by sharing your opinion, literally speaking your thoughts out loud while you browse. Tests take about 10 to 20 minutes, and each one pays $10 to $60 depending on the client. It's perfect if you've got a quiet space and a decent internet connection. So there you go, Swagbucks for quick cash, Fiverr to build a freelance side hustle, and user testing for high payouts with minimal effort. Don't just watch. Try one of these right now and drop a comment letting me know how much you earn. Subscribe for more side hustle tips and check out my next video on the top 5 passive income ideas.